Welcome to Coast Broker Buzz with Jen and Holly. We are going to talk about frequently asked questions from sellers. One that we get asked all the time is, what is seller financing and why should I offer it to buyers?
Yes, Jen, that is such a common question that we get asked. So, what is seller financing, right? Seller financing is when a seller of a business acts like a bank. So, you finance a portion of the purchase price for the buyer. So, instead of paying the full amount upfront, the buyer makes a down payment and pays the rest over time. So, with interest based on the promissory note. For example, let's say your business is worth 800,000. The buyer puts down 400,000 and you finance the remaining 400,000 over 5 years at let's say 6% interest. You get ongoing payments and still complete the transaction at closing.
Yeah, typically we see 10% to 30% as a seller note, and interest rates are are typically higher, we like to see, than what the bank is financing.
Yeah, especially because interest rate has increased.
Yeah, and you are, as a seller, taking on more of the risk. But
Yeah.
that is a fight, I will say. The buyer wants it to be less than what a bank is financing, and the seller wants it to be more.
Yeah. And it's negotiable, honestly. So, Jen, why offer seller financing?
You offer seller financing because it really does show your willingness that the business is going to be successful. It also is a way that you as a seller can have an advantage for tax reasons. Too. You're not taking the full payment up front, and you'll get payments over time.
Yeah. No, that's great. And also, you'll have a wider buyer pool. So many qualified buyers can't secure full traditional financing or SBA financing. And also, I think another benefit would be faster closing. So financing does delay a deal. So offering terms can help move things forward. And honestly, I also think that buyers are often willing to pay more for a flexible term.
Yeah, I think these are all great points, and it's something that we see more and more on our deals. And like you said, it's just a faster way to get the transaction done. So really think about seller financing if you are selling your business, and stay tuned to next week of Coast to Coast Broker Buzz.